Magandang araw mga kababayan at welcome muli sa isa na namang episode ng ating mga videos, ng reviews para sa iba't ibang mga companies at reactions sa mga nangyayari sa ating paligid. Ito si Neon Musk ng United Talino Warriors at kung bago ka sa channel na ito ay pindutin mo na ang subscribe button at bell notification button para lagi kang updated sa ating mga iba't ibang contents tungkol sa mga companies. At mga kababayan, para sa episode nga na ito ay ating alamin ang nilalaman ng advisory mula sa Securities and Exchange Commission para dito nga sa kumpanya na Katuwang Poultry Chicken Egg Producing Company. So, andyan, ipapakita natin yung kanilang logo. At wag na natin itong patagalin at basahin na natin kung ano yung nilalaman ng advisory. Ito nga ay nagmula sa Enforcement and Investor Protection Department ng Securities and Exchange Commission at narito ang nilalaman. Sabi, based on numerous reports and information gathered by the Commission, the entity operating under the name Katuwang Poultry Chicken Egg Producing Company through its partners Manny Nuque Fernandez, Philip L. Mercado, and Nestor Castro is found to be engaged in investment-taking activities in the Philippines which is not authorized by the Commission. So, ibig sabihin, tulad din ng ibang mga kumpanya na involved sa ganitong mga kahayupan, tulad nung mga sa seafood trading, Seafood Trade Asia, na tumatanggap nga rin ng investment mula sa publiko na ini-invest naman sa seafood. Same lang din sila ng line of business nitong Katuwang Poultry Chicken Egg Producing Company kung saan, ayun nga, tungkol nga sa mga manok at sa pangingitlog ng mga kahayupan. Now, let's move on. Sabi dyan, based on the information gathered from the said reports, inquiries, and data from other sources such as social media sites, Katuwang Poultry Chicken Egg Producing Company is apparently promising its prospective investors up to 120% in profit in just only 6 months, depending on the amount of the initial investment. So 120% ang kanilang pinapangakong return of investment. Again, base nga dun sa mga companies na ating na-cover dati, basta mas mataas sa 6% sa ang offer ng return of investment, malaki ang chance na yan ay isang scam. At hindi nga naiiba dito sa Katuwang Poultry Chicken Egg Producing Company na nangangako ng 120% in just only 6 months. Ito yung isa sa dahilan kung bakit nag-flag ang Securities and Exchange Commission sa illegal at unauthorized na operation ng kumpanya na ito. So, tuloy natin. Sabi pa, as posted online at its own Facebook page, Katuwang Poultry Chicken Egg Producing Company offers 4 types of investment options or levels, all of which have an option for the investor to earn 10% more in earnings from commissions through referrals. So, nagfo-focus din sila mainly doon sa pag-i-invite at pag-refer sa pag-recruit. The first package offers starts with an initial investment of 50,000 pesos as minimum with a promised profit of 48% in just 6 months. The biggest package offered by Katuwang Poultry Chicken Egg Producing Company starts with an initial investment of 500,000 or more with a promised profit of 120% in just 6 months to wait. Tulad nga ng ating nasabi kanina, na yung ganitong uri ng mga kumpanya they would heavily rely on invitation, recruitment, referrals para doon sa DRB o direct referral bonus at doon sa indirect referral bonus. Dahil nga yung fake profit ay nagmumula naman doon sa investment money ng mga bagong investors na yun yung binibigay doon sa mga datihan ng mga investment. Kaya napakalaki ng kanilang pagpapahalaga sa pag-i-invite ng mga bagong investors. So try to imagine kapag nag-invest ka ng 50,000 to 99,000, meron kang 48% nakita in 6 months. Tapos, kapag ang investment mo naman ay 100,000 to 299,000, meron kang 60% in 6 months. So, big time ang mga kliyente sa ganitong uri ng investment nga dito sa company na ito. So, 300,000 to 499,000, meron kang 90% income in 6 months. And then lastly, you will earn 120% in 6 months kapag ang investment mo naman ay 500,000 pataas. Ngayon, tuloy natin yung nilalaman ng advisory ng SEC. Sabi dyan, I'm sorry, the lock-in program of 6 months is basically how the investors earn passive income, where the investor need not exert any effort except from investing money. So again, para ka lang hihilata, maglalaga ka lang ng pera pero kikita ka na. Hence, from the promise of 48% to 120% profit in just 6 months without any concrete business plan. It can be inferred that the income of its investors depends on subsequent investors, which ultimately defeats sustainability because its whole system depends entirely on the new investors that will be lured in. So again, nakabase nga sila doon sa mga papasok ulit mga investors. Applying the Howey test, Katuwang Poultry Chicken Egg Producing Company investment taking scheme, or its so-called earn 48 to 120% in 6 months program, partakes of the nature of securities in the form of an investment contract because it involves the offering and sale of securities to the public, where their investors need not exert any effort other than to invest or place money in its scheme in order to earn profit. Briefly, an investment contract exists when there is an investment or placement of money in a common enterprise with a reasonable expectation of profits to be derived from the efforts of others, which are prominent in Katuwang Poultry Chicken Egg Producing Company's scheme. Therefore, Katuwang Poultry Chicken Egg Producing Company must be duly registered with the Commission, and that any person, entity, or intending to offer and sell its investment contracts are required to secure the necessary registration and or license from the Commission as well. So again, kapag ganito na yung line of business na tumatanggap ng pera mula sa publiko, hindi lang yung company ang dapat mag-secure ng SEC secondary license, even yung mga uplines, yung mga agents na nag-i-invite ng investors, dapat pati sila ay kumuha rin ng lisensya mula sa Commission o sa Securities and Exchange Commission. Ngayon ay alamin naman natin kung ano yung nilalaman ng records ng Securities and Exchange Commission base pa rin dito sa kanilang inilabas na SEC advisory against sa operation nga nitong Katuwang Poultry Chicken Egg Producing Company. Sabi dyan, per our record, although Katuwang Poultry Chicken Egg Producing Company has been registered with the Commission as a partnership on 1 June 2021 under company registration number PG 21-06004, it operates without the necessary license and/or authority to solicit, accept, or take investment placements from the public, nor to issue investment contracts and other forms of securities defined under Section 3 of the Securities Regulation Code SRC. Sabi dyan sa kanilang Articles of Partnership, nakalagay dyan na naka-highlight, does not authorize investment solicitation and investment taking without a secondary license from this commission. Hence, the public is advised not to invest or stop investing in any scheme offered by Katuwang Poultry, Chicken, Egg Producing Company or such other entities engaged in investment taking schemes that are not registered with the Commission. According to the Commission, warns all unscrupulous individuals and/or entities that strict penalties are imposed for violations of the Securities Regulation Code and Revised Corporation Code and such other rules and regulation enforced by the Commission. Again, pinapaalalahanan ng Securities and Exchange Commission ang lahat na huwag nang mag-invest o tumigil na sa pag-i-invest. At kung kayo naman ay investor na, mag-request na kayo ng pull-out ng inyong investment, magre-refund. At kung kinakailangan na mag-submit pa kayo sa opisina ng company na ito ng demand letter para ma-pull out ninyo yung inyong pera, gawin ninyo by seeking the assistance of an attorney or public attorney's office para tulungan kayo makagawa ng demand letter. Again, babala, huwag na po kayo mag-invest dito nga sa kumpanyang ito. Those who act as salesmen, brokers, dealers, or agents of such unauthorized entities like the operators of the Facebook page of Katuwang Poultry, Chicken, and Egg Production Company in selling or convincing people to invest in their investment scheme offered including solicitations and recruitment through the internet may likewise be criminally prosecuted and penalized with a maximum line of 5 million pesos or a penalty of 21 years of imprisonment or both pursuant to Section 28 and 73 of the SRC. In the same manner, those who invite or recruit others to join to invest in such ventures or offer investment contracts or securities to the public may incur criminal liability or otherwise be sanctioned or penalized accordingly as held by the Supreme Court in the case of SEC versus Odin Santos, GR number 195542, 19 March 2014. So again, kapag ikaw ay involved sa pag-i-invite, isa kang upline, isa kang agent, ikaw ay merong criminal liability. So pwede kang isama sa reklamo ng mga miyembro na mag-file ng kaso sa korte. The names of those involved will also be reported to the Bureau of Internal Revenue, BIR, so that the appropriate penalties and or taxes may be assessed correspondingly. At ito ay isang paalala ng ahensya ng gobyerno para sa lahat na maging maingat po tayo sa pag-invest nga dito sa ganitong uri ng mga kahayup-hayupan ng mga kumpanya. At isa pa pong mahalagang bagay, base kasi sa ating mga comment section dyan sa baba, na maraming mga subscribers natin, yung mga viewers natin ang nagre-request na i-review, gawa ng content yung mga iba't ibang companies. Hindi naman natin ito maiko-cover lahat. Ngayon, ang mabuti at mabilis na paraan upang mag-verify ay dumiretso po ng email sa Securities and Exchange Commission at napaka-responsive ng ahensyang ito. Probably in 2 to 3 days meron na silang response sa ating mga inquiries. Maaari po tayong mag-send ng email sa at sec.gov.ph. At masisiguro ko po sa inyo na they are more than willing na i-assist kayo upang mag-verify kung ang isang company na nais nyo ipa-check ay legit ba o scam, tulad nga nitong katuwang poultry, chicken, and egg production company na isang investment scam. So again, isa po itong babala, isa po silang scam, huwag na po kayo mag-invest, at kung kayo naman ay isa ng investor, mag-request na kayo mag-pull out. So dito na po natin tatapusin ang ating maiksing video. Maraming salamat po sa ating mga subscribers, sa mga bagong subscribers na natalisod itong ating YouTube channel, sa ating mga viewers, sa ating mga kaibigan na nag-feed sa atin ng information, at gayon din sa ating mga kasama sa United Talino Warriors. Nandyan po yung kanilang mga YouTube channel, support nyo rin po sila. Ito pong muli si Neon Mas ng United Talino Warriors. Nagpapasalamat.